अब मैं प्रार्थना करता हूं श्री अरुण आहूजा जी से, टैक्स लॉ एजुकेटर सोसाइटी, आप संबोधित करें।
Thank you, Mr. Kocher. Good morning, everybody. I really appreciate the suggestion given by your good sir and Mr. Vaswani. Friends, I agree with the fact to rebuild the economy, India's MSMEs need to be Atmanirbhar, in ideas, in local strength and global reach. Recently, in the government's post-COVID-19 package in the MSME and defense sectors, we appreciate the presence of import substitution policy of the government. This is very much clear. This brings us to the question, can such as import substitution policy deliver economic growth for India? Research studies have shown that the success of strategic use of import substitution policies is possible only along with the implementation of export-oriented policies. Here, on behalf of Tax Law Educator Society, I have few suggestions. These suggestions are apart from the suggestions already given in public domain by Scotch Group and our research earlier. Sir, firstly, the trade data needs to be in public domain. For local enterprises to spot the right opportunity, the government should put trade data in the public domain. The MSMEs, especially beyond the metros, do not know what the consumption pattern and sourcing map of the regions look like. They cannot invest in market research. They will be benefited from the strong industry academic linkages. Second, as already told by Mr. Vaswani, I just adding this, subsidize the R&D expenditure of MSME. दोस्तों, आज के वक्त में हम इंडिया में जीडीपी का 0.7% ही हम R&D एक्सपेंडिचर पे खर्च कर रहे हैं. This is very low compared to 3 to 4% by the developed countries. This makes it imperative to think about resource allocation and investment in research and development, which is turn will equip our industry with the requisite technology and skill to fight this trade and peddle. Thirdly, most important, in my opinion, overhauling of our educational system. It is striking that the education did not figure among the 5 pillars that the government identified as the foundation of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. They are economy, infrastructure, system, democracy, and demand. I think this could be momentous omission. Without overhauling our education system, the prospect for self-reliance is very limited. Finally, in my opinion, we should not be very rigid. We may have to be selfish sometimes. We will have to do SWOT analysis very often, what to produce, what to import. No need, absolutely there is no need to attach Atmanirbhar tab on every प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज. कोई जरूरत नहीं कि हम हर चीज में आत्मनिर्भर, ठीक है, जहां आपको जरूरत है उस पे यूज कीजिए और जहां हम अपने आप को खड़ा कर सकते हैं. We are sure that during this session there will be lot of insight from the learned speakers. कुछ पंक्तियां समीर जी, निस्संदेह संकट है बड़ा पर अवसर भी सामने है खड़ा. करना कुछ अलग थोड़े ना है, बस आत्मनिर्भर ही तो होना है. पैरों पर जो खड़े हो गए तो दौड़ने की शक्ति आ ही जाएगी. ये समय है निर्णायक, भारत को बनना है आत्मनिर्भर. संकल्प लेना होगा, उसे जीना होगा. हाँ, हम होंगे आत्मनिर्भर. हाँ, हम होंगे आत्मनिर्भर. थैंक यू एवरीवन. ओवर टू समीर जी.
धन्यवाद अरुण जी, आपने हमारी खूब हौसला अफजाई करी. बहुत ही सुंदर पंक्तियां थी. मुझे विश्वास है शायद आपने खुद ही लिखी हैं.